Hi, I'm here with Shane, who is the owner and director of Distriqt. Shane, can you just start off with explaining to us a little bit about your business?
Sure. So Distriqt is a company which we started a couple of years ago. We specialise mainly in digital development solutions for many different clients, mainly focused on Flash and Flex and Air and all these kind of web technologies.
And how did you arrive at this point in your career? Because obviously that's a lot of technology and stuff to learn. Did you study or...?
I did study briefly, so I did a diploma, which was a one-year course, and that was specialising in game development, and that was sort of centred around C++, DirectX, and all that kind of thing. From there, I moved into sort of more multimedia fields, so Flash and editing and video and things like that, and that's pretty much where I picked up with Flash, and I've just continued down that path, basically.
So how did you arrive at having your own business, which you run with yourself and a business partner?
Yep, that's right. So I worked in Flash and web technologies for a long time in different fields like e-learning, game development and advertising, and then from there sort of moved to a freelance for about a year, and then hooked up with my business partner and we started the thing together just to expand our possibilities, basically.
Yeah. And so you're obviously really clued into the industry. What are the things that you love about working in this industry?
I think the main thing is just you get to do a lot of different projects and everything's so interesting. There's so many emerging technologies, the work's changing every day, and it's exciting and challenging to actually keep up with everything that's happening. But that's probably the most exciting thing, is just there's something new to do every day.
And what are some other pros of working in owning your own business and working from home?
Well, the biggest pros I think would be that you get to choose what work you want to do. If you're working for a company, obviously you don't always get to choose what you want to do. We can choose our projects as they come, decide what we actually want to do and focus more on things that interest us.
And on that note, you have worked on a lot of projects that have been for good causes or awareness causes. How important is that for you when you consider taking on a project, what the cause actually is behind it?
It is very important, I think, a lot of the time. Coming from having worked in advertising, you spend a lot of your time working on advertising campaigns, which is not the most fulfilling thing in the world. So when we have the opportunity to do work, for example, on the Black Saturday website we did, it's definitely rewarding for a good cause, and yeah, it definitely gives you more of a sense of accomplishment rather than building advertising campaigns all day.
And you got rewarded for your Black Saturday campaign. What was it that you won?
Well, the website we did and the whole campaign was entered for 2 categories in the annual AMIA Awards here in Melbourne, and it actually won both categories it was nominated for, so that was a nice surprise.
And you guys also write a blog. How important is social media to your business? Is it more just social, or do you find that social media really plays an event in the development of your business?
I think social media is one of the most important things for any technology company, whether it's about promoting your own business, promoting the work you've done. It's things like Twitter and Facebook is the place that you'll need to share what you're doing and show people and communicate with people. And in terms of the product you're actually developing, anything these days, whether it's a website or an app or anything like that, if it's connected, then people just expect it to be integrated with social networks, and that's a huge part of any development these days, is making sure that you integrate that and making sure you can communicate through that for people.
Yeah. And so how excited are you about the future of technology? I mean, we're already so connected. What things excite you? What possibilities do you see for your business and for the future?
For our business, mainly, the biggest thing now is obviously mobile development, so we're moving a lot of our work towards the mobile space. This includes smartphones, tablets, and everything like that. And being that we focus on Flash and Adobe Air technologies, these are all now very accessible for mobile devices, whether it's iOS or Android or BlackBerry, any of these things, they all support Flash now, which is a huge boost for us, and it's really good for anyone who actually develops in Flash, because you can reach all of these target platforms from your one code base. which is a really big advantage, and that's definitely the space that we're moving towards. And that's the most exciting thing, really, is just the new improvements that are coming with all the new versions of Flash and more possibilities.
Excellent. Well, it sounds like a very, very promising future, and I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.